Good morning. We had a ton of rain fall on us in the last couple of days. Yesterday we got an inch of rain. We had covered everything up. We put the plastic up on top of the house. A lot of that blew off. Put plastic on top of the piles. Some of those blew off, some of those blew partly off. So we've gone ahead and pulled them off so they can get some air and dry out a little bit. And we got to go down here and we got to relieve the pressure in the pond. We need to clear the main overflow pipe. It's going through the spillway right now, which is fine. Keeps everything the way it should be, but the water's a little higher. So I'm gonna jump in the canoe down here and get that taken care of real quick. We can see that the overflow pipe is clogged up and the level of water is definitely high. You look along the bank here, you see that it's up and we got a ton of water going down there. I need to put together a video on building this this bridge because that was quite a chore, but it does exactly what it was designed to do. It handles the overflow. And those pipes are 48-inch inside diameter and 60 feet long. It's cold.
I'm sure.
Cold. Good God.
It'd be so nice when you build a little bridge out to there.
Yep.
And you just take a bucket, get the crap off, and
probably come back down here in a couple hours after it's dropped a couple 100,000 gallons down and pull the rest of it out. But right now it's you reach down there and it tries to snatch your hand. It's not a good idea. As I said, it's starting to boil down here. That water's definitely coming out. Now we got to get to work on the house. Well, it is getting late in the day. It's 2:30. It's in the afternoon. Now I had to get up here. I got on the end of the roof and looked across the top of the rafters to make sure that if I used it kind of like a rifle sight going straight across, I would end up right at the bottom skin of the next panel over there. Unfortunately, I was high, which I had run into on the previous panel. So before I even lifted it up there, I got the planer out and I went ahead and planed it down until it lined up properly. So I'm getting ready to lift this up and put it in place. I gotta jump up here and put another spline up top, and then we should be ready to go.
sit still.
Yep.
Okay.
And you want to put it up, like make it touch the top. Good. So what I'm going to do is get up top, and we have enough for me to do this next spline.
Okay.
I got to put a spline up there. Well, the temperature is dropping already. I don't know how cold it's going to get tonight, but it's certainly getting chilly right now. After putting in the effort to try and get the panels pulled together, it was undeniable that it just wasn't going to line up. So we pulled it off, made some quick adjustments, and then got back to it. Problem, and that ate up a lot of time. We've got about an hour of daylight left, so we're not going to be trying to get another panel up there today. What we're going to try and do is start arranging these panels so that tomorrow when we roll in here we can go. She thinks that we can lift the panel up on top with just muscle, the top three. I think maybe the very top one. The others, they're not as thick, but I think they're still fairly heavy. We're gonna find out. All right, where do you want to put this one? Let's find out. Hold on. Lift your side. You really want to try and lower this down?
Yeah.
You think you can lift that?
Yeah, it's like a dead weight.
Dead weight, dead people. Hold on. Every time I slide it over, you slide it back. You ready?
See?
Yeah.
We don't believe me.
Lift your side up. We're not doing this. You are not, you're going to get hurt if you try to lift that.
I did it though.
Yes, you did lift it.
I lifted it like 5 inches. I only have gravity and it's going to help me lift it down. In fact, we could lift this end together and then swing it over. Betcha anyway.
If you lift this end's sliding off.
No, we'll just
We're going to put it on the tractor and take it over there.
Okay. Or you can put it on the tractor and just slide it right here. No,
Right here.
all you do is put it on the fork, back up, lower it a little bit, and slip it off the fork. It's the same thing.
Okay.
side all the way over.